as well as the Soil Deep Foundation Contracting. Thank you so much, sponsors. Without you, this couldn't be happen. And it was your efforts and your dedicated support to make this tournament one of the most interesting as well as most inspiring, because we do this after after work time. You gather up, you take some time to play, and you build that sportsmanship within you. And again, I would like to take this opportunity on behalf of the organizers to the big man of the night, as well as our CEO, who had brought this idea so that we would not just be here to work on our desk, but also to keep up the sportsmanship, as well as to keep us fit and healthy to be around. And thank you so much, sir. Next, let's get into the award ceremony. Okay, let's get some energy once again for this tournament, so that I would like to invite our honorable beloved CEO, Mr. Shiraz, to come over here to speak few words about his vision, about his dream, and why did he bring up this tournament, and what is that in his mind for all of us.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Lovely to see you all gathered here in a much relaxed and more enjoyable environment than your typical work day. I'm a big cricket fan, so I really enjoy this. I hope you all do as well. We've had this tournament for I think 6-7 years now, and every year has been better than the previous year. A very warm welcome to our sponsors. I really appreciate all the support and help in putting this together, and our organizing team, all the volunteers here. They do a wonderful job every single year. So I hope we make it a blast this time round. So ready to go. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. So now let's celebrate the individual performances for their brilliance, efforts, and outstanding performer. We have few names over here tonight. Firstly, let's get into the Best Fielder Award. To do the honors, I would like to invite the representative from Conmix, Miss Josephine. Please come forward. Any guesses for the best fielder of the tournament? And it goes to Liaquat.
जैसे ये तो बोला देना सी फिल्टर के थोड़ा लाठी दो ना पता चले फोटो खींची हां ओहो जोर हाय वाह
Next. Wow. Next is for the best bowler of the tournament. He's been quite pace bowler, as well as taking few important wickets and quite crucial wickets. And to do the honors, I would like to call from the representative from Star Cement, Mr. Hasbullah. And And the best bowler of the tournament goes to none other than Mr. Shakir. He's a player for Tech Remix.
सही इसका जबरदस्त है यार।
नहीं अपना तो नहीं आएगा।
अपना थोड़ी आएगा अपने में है कौन
तनवीर बनता है
हाँ?
बैट्समैन
तनवीर बैट्समैन का होगा मुबारक शाह लगा दुआ नहीं छोड़ा इस बार
पहले ही दुआ बहुत
वो मच्छर थे ना इसलिए छोड़ा था।
अच्छा अच्छा उधर सही समझाया सही उधर उधर लेके गया सही समझाया कि भाई तुम
Next is the best batsman. He has taken quite amazing and for his meticulous effort.
सनी
He has been doing very well so far in this tournament. And to do the honors, I would like to call
मिस्टर अरसलान
Mr.
अरसलान
the representative from Girgash Insurance, Mr. Mukesh, as well as Mr. Mohsen, to come forward. The best batsman goes to Zishan from the Tech Group. Thank you so much. Well, next is the award for the man of the series. The man of the series, to do the honors, I would like to call Mr. Manish. Mr. Manish, please come forward. And the man of the series award goes to, any guesses?
शिरा
Yes, one and only, Mr. Tanveer.
तनवीर
What a performance. What a player.
रास्ता गलत हुआ ओए आजा आजा वाह 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 दुआ खत्म हुआ आखिरी दुआ था तनवीर को छोड़ा कंग्राच दुआ खत्म होने दो पंखा होना चाहिए था दुआ
Extremely sorry, guys. It was an unimportant. It was a very important call. That's the reason. I'm so sorry. Next, it's with a great honor. I would like to call the most valuable player of this tournament, and to do the honors, I would like to call Mr. Shakir to come forward. Mr. Zakir.
तालियां बजती है भाई यहाँ पे तालियां बजेगी
Well, it has been very tough task for the organizers as well as the volunteers to choose the most valuable player of the tournament. But yet again, for his performance, not just his performance, but his dedication and for the love for this tournament as well as for cricket, and also he has performed so very well and very unexpected player. And yet again, it's a name and one and only our honorable CEO, Mr. Shiraz, receiving his most valuable player award. Congratulations. So that concludes our closing ceremony. Next, we are going to go for the opening ceremony of the next.
थोड़ा बहुत तो मुझे भी आता है और दो डाल रहा है देखो
यार अब्दुल्ला ओपनिंग की थी यार, अब्दुल्ला की बनती
अब्दुल्ला की बनती है यार एक चौका तुम्हारा था ना लेग पे फ्लिप किया था जो फ्लिप किया था वो बड़ा जबरदस्त था
बेस्ट ओपनर।
Guys, these awards are quite a reflection of your exceptional contribution that you had put up to the sports as well as to this tournament. Now we are here to honor the runners-up trophy to the team. So I would like to call Mr. Shiraz, our beloved CEO, to come forward to hand over the runner-up medal to the team. पहले trophy.
यार सेमीफाइनल को देना चाहिए था ओ ये तो कब्र का तख्ता है
Let's call upon the captain of the Tech Group, Sultan, who had fought valiantly, played so well. And here we invite the captain of the runners-up, the Tech Group Sultans, Mr. Zakir. Please come forward.
ये कप्तान है
They might have had clinched their title, but yet again they fought well. It was the hard luck that they are runner-up of this tournament.
थैंक यू इतना दुआ छोड़ने का
Thank you so much. It was a great effort. Sir, please stay back. And next, we are here to award the champions of the TG Super League 2024 tape ball. And we all know who the champions are. Let's invite the captain and the team to come forward to receive the Champions Award. Come, full team with the captain.
फुल टीम विद कैप्टन।
फुल टीम इतना दुआ है नहीं
हम भी सेमीफाइनल आ रहे हो यार।
यार हमारा तो कुछ बनता है This is the dangerous.
Let's give it up to the Techwood Strikers for their hard work, for the teamwork, and for the commitment. A deserving title for you all. The Tech Group Super League trophy is here for you to celebrate and cherish. Champions of the Tech Group Super League 2024 tape ball. What a players!
गलत टाइम पे दुआ छोड़ रहा है
Few questions. Mr. Captain Shahid,
कैप्टन साहब शायद सफी के
quick question.
वेल डन साथ भाई, वेल डन.
A quick question to you. So, do you think you're gonna retain the title for the leather ball?
Why not? We will win again, inshallah.
So, have you already made up your plan?
We have dedication. We will give our best for again, next year to win again, inshallah.
Inshallah. So again, I mean, like, it's not that easy playing with a hard ball. You're going to play with a leather ball over there. I believe you must have calculated so well who should be your openers and who should be the perfect ballers as such, right?
Yeah, we will. We are making plan during the condition, side condition, and depends upon over situation, how it's going. And, then based on that, we are making plan and we win. Thank you.
Good luck to you and may the best team win. Thank you so much, and once again, congratulations from the bottom of my heart. Okay, that's it. So as he said, it is a defending champions. The Techwood will have to look forward for the upcoming tournament as well. So ladies and gentlemen, we conclude the closing ceremony for the TG Super League tape ball. We will be continuing this session after the dinner break. So we invite everyone to have your dinner. Let's have some snacks around, and we'll be back with the opening ceremony of the TGL Super League leather ball. Come on, good luck to you. DJ, hit the music.
Ay वाह. बिशेरी नहीं बोला क्या? और डीजे वाला बहुत ढीला है, इसके पैसे कटो.
सलमान भाई, ओ सलमान स्टेज पे जा. डीजे बुलाया ना. कोच का बनना है भाई. नहीं बनता. साड़ा किधर आ यार, सानू नहीं, हमें नहीं दी यार. हम भी सेमीफाइनल रनर अप हैं.
कुछ तो देना चाहिए था.
कम से कम इतनी सी ट्रॉफी दे देते, पर दे देते.
नहीं, सेमीफाइनल वाले को लाजम देना चाहिए. ये हमेशा ऐसा ही होता है.
मैं बहुत डिसाइड हुआ हूँ. मैं इस्तीफा देता हूँ.
एक तो डीजे वाले का टीम का उठो. हाँ,
क्यों?
ये मेमोरीज है.
और पूरे कैमरे में तू ही आ जाएगा. ये भी मलक है. ये मलक कमाल है.
ना यहाँ से वीडियो था.
12 भी होते हैं. अमर मलक
दा यूट्यूब के पूरे यूट्यूब के. ना यूट्यूब के भेजा पूरा वीडियो.
अब जो दूसरे लोग होते हैं ना, वो ज़्यादा प्यार करते हैं. जब आप देख लेना, आप भी जाके आसमान का प्यार देना.
चैंपियन का गाना तो लगाना चाहिए था.
चैंपियन.
यार क्या करते हो? मैं देखा नहीं हुआ
जैसे
यार
जैसे
हाँ, कोई तू ही है. सारे
सिर्फ मैं खुश नहीं, असि रनर अप रहे. वो जीतते
आग थोड़ा ज़्यादा डाला हुआ है आज.
सर्दी ज़्यादा है. जैसे हाथ सेक ले. हाथ
बंदे तक गए आग नहीं.
बैटिंग करनी है. उसने पूछा ही नहीं है. टॉस जीत के बैटिंग करनी है. बोले खुद ही चांस.
तो आज हमारा टास्क हो रहा है.
किट भी नहीं कुछ नहीं क्या करेंगे।
अच्छा टॉस जीत के क्या करना है? किट है उधर पड़ा हुआ है, ऊपर पड़ा हुआ है सब कुछ। फील्डिंग तो मुझे लगता है मुझे और करना पड़ेगा।
बस कर